I'm actually enjoying this meal. This is what it looks like. Getting this now, I'm super excited.
I missed bound this time for closure. You want what you want, that must be awful. But please pull up your pants, no offense. Won't be dancing in rice. I'm not telling you twice. Nothing you can do to make things right. I'm a Gemini. I'm a Gemini. With my Gemini rights. I'm a Gemini. I'm a Gemini. With my Gemini rights.
Hey guys, good morning. So today is Wednesday here, right? So I woke up this morning and I was like, it's a good day to try something new, to try a new meal. Apparently I'm going to be making like Irish potato pancakes. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys the ingredients that I'll be using. I want to try it new. I want to film it for TikTok, YouTube shorts and Instagram reels. Anyways, but I'm going to put few footages out here for YouTube for you guys to see. Honestly, YouTube has not been making me happy of late because I see no reason why my watch hour keep reducing. I was this close to getting monetized, guys. I was this close to getting all my watch hour full. But I woke up one day, I checked through YouTube Studio and I saw that it has dropped drastically to almost the middle. That's like I'm on 2000 and something. I was on 3008 something. So annoying. My views dropped. A lot of things, guys. You guys should just be paying attention to your YouTuber because those people are beginning to act funny, or maybe they've been acting funny since, but it's not nice. Anyways, I won't let that kill my ginger because honestly I became down. I was like, you know what, why am I even putting in the work? Because honestly I can see improvement on my channel. I can see that I have lots of views now, unlike before that I have 10, 15, 11 views. At least now I surpass 100 to 200 to 300 and almost 1k views. And it's annoying that even with this effort, YouTube are not noticing me. Like, they keep dragging my views down. It's really not fair if you ask me. But anyways, let's not let that kill our shine or make me slow down on YouTube, because I won't. I'm sure that's what the devil wants. I won't. This year I'm going to start earning, and I'm very sure. But I need you guys to do me a favor, so help me to by always liking my videos, you know, subscribe to my channel, basically like my videos even more, because the more you like it, the more it gains visibility and the more YouTube notices the video and push it out there for other people to see and watch and increase my watch hour. Please, I am begging you guys, in the name of Jesus or whatever you believe in, please, I am begging you. Anyways, I'm in my kitchen, like I said, and I want to make this meal. I've already diced and sliced my Irish potato and carrots. I also want to remove like a few of this for your miss. Okay, I think first of all I'll blend like your miss meal. I want him to have this for breakfast. I don't know if it will be too light, but I would love him to have it for breakfast. Like, I'll blend it and then I'll mix it on the fire so it will be, you know, hot and it will cook. Let's just blend your mix on before I get on going with what I want to try out for the first time. Okay,
there is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down.
Yeah, guys, I'm actually enjoying this meal with a freshly pressed juice that I made. I'm drinking directly from the jug. Can you remember how I said that thing? So when I say go when it's out of your league, create your own games and you're gonna play. You understand what out of your league? So I'm drinking directly from the jug because it's nice. It's actually really nice. Try it. It has one kind of taste though because there's no flour. You know that there's no flour, but it's very light and it's very nice. So try it. Yesterday before I stepped out, this package came in, and now I just want to unbox it. So I'll show you guys what's inside. So this is what I got, guys. I got this heat gun. Yeah, you already know, and obviously this is for 19,000 naira. I got it from a brand online because I am tired of using sellotape to, sellotape my skincare product and the meals that I make, when you can actually just use some nylons and wrap it on the and wrap it all over it and just use the heat gun to melt it all in. This is for my juice. I'm also into fresh juice and zobo making, tiger nut and the rest. So that's why I got this one. Anyways, when I do what that let me just give you guys an idea. You know how they do bottled water now, how they package bottled water and all. So that's how I'm going to be packaging my juice for those that buy in bulk and the zobo and the rest. I'll definitely do one because I have like an order. So this is for 6,000 naira and it's large. I just hope I'll be able to do it. I'll have to check YouTube to see how they do it because it's going to be my first time. Anyways. So, and then we have like nylons for the skincare. I'm going to try that one out now and see. Then let me just quickly open this. Let's see. What? Oh, me, I've spoiled it though. Abby, that's how they're supposed to open it. Okay, it's correct. These days, in fact, since when I was little, I don't think we ever read manual. So much to read. I'm not fit, God forbid. Anyways, this is it, and this is the pack, and this is the gun. I hope it's working. Let me better test it too. So if it's no good, I start returning it. No, I think this part is to like keep it. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's like hair dryer. I also hear if you cannot buy this and you have hair dryer, you can use that because all you need is the hot air. As long as you have the nylons, all you need is the hot air. And I don't have hair dryer, so let me just buy this at once and use what is right, Getting this now, I'm super excited because it's been one of the things that I said I was going to get for this year. Not like so expensive, but I just told myself, you know what, this year I'll try and get heat gun. So let me just test it out right now and do what I have to do.
Here, because it's impossible to come during summer, but it's important to make a reflection on what this means for European economies, especially Southern European economies, because we need transformation. We can't rely anymore on tourism. We saw that during the pandemic, and we see even more now this summer. And Garvin Lodge is the EU
So this in August is probably coming to an end because it's getting too hot for that. Same thing is going to happen in North Africa and Turkey as well. And
another one. So I just got this delivered to me now, and I'm pretty much sure it's the masterpan and silicone molder that I ordered from Lagos. Let's just see what's inside. Remove your hands. So this is it. This is what it looks like. Why the thing they bust? Why it they bust? Oh, this is the cover. This is what it looks like. For where? Inside. That's nice though. Nadia go they go now. It's better person go make a me. Cause correct salon people they already. People go make them personally Nadia go they go now. Cause to the go markets they tell me. This is what it looks like, and this is the cover for the cover. This is the handle, I mean, for the cover. All the things that I've bought so far, that I've ordered so far, I really love. Yomi, what are you scattering? Let me show you guys the other one. And I don't know what this boy is scattering. Bring it! I'll beat you. Why is for your lollipops and the rest? Yomi, it's so cute. Oh, it comes with oil. Oh, it's so cute. Second one. You guys see that ice cream? Ice cream you're making frigid inside. I have this thing already, but I don't like that one. This is like silicone. This is the spoon, I mean the handle, I don't know. This is popsicle molder. I'm so impressed. Block, but it's coming out though. Oh, that's it. Bring it, nothing. This is the other one. That means he has to really block before it can come out. Oh, amazing! Oh my god! This is the other one that I was thinking I would not like, but I just realized that it has to be really blocked before it can come out. So see, Yomi, take, see, take, ice cream. See, ice cream, take. Wow! Hold it here. Here. Wow! Take.